Hey everyone, well, I'm back with another update on the Kicking Horse Canyon construction. This is Thursday, February the 9th. So you can see to the left here, got a big pile of rubble there that they're clearing up, making room for the westbound lanes. Some work going on there. We're kind of up over the first bridge that they opened up. Nice view, nice morning. It's dry today. This is the first video in a while I've had to be able to get with dry roads. So you can see on the right there, there's part of the bridge or part of I don't know what they call it, the road on pillars. That's what I'm going to call it. To the left here is the old highway, where the old highway was. So they built this bridge, is built all the way across now. They just have to clear that rock back there further. And so they're cutting down on the left here. They're cutting all of this down to the same level as the road I'm driving on. And you'll see coming up here what I'm talking about because they've already got quite a bit of a section done. But that's all the old highway. That was the old road. They're here. I think they're working on more of the bridge, putting in pieces for the road. Right here, you can see on the left-hand side, it's all been cut down now to below road level. This was all up higher. So they've been blasting. They've done a lot of work here. Again, to the left, that's where the old road used to go up against the rock cut there. Again, over a bridge. So we're going through what I call the rock cut here. And they blasted this all out. So you can see a bunch of huge off-road dump trucks. The pile drivers, pounding in piles. And right here, along here, this is amazing. You've just passed a pile. This has all been cut down. And it's been cut down. If you look at the top, if you look at the hanging of the wire mesh to stop rocks from falling, that's how much they've cut it down. Okay, so see the old road is up above here, going through this part. This is all going to get cut down. In the section that we're going across right now, I actually brought a load of rebar from Nucor Rebar in Calgary out here and actually had to back down right about here, somewhere in here. Can't tell anymore. Oh, here it is coming up right here. That road right there. Nice, this bridge is here. That bad corner is gone finally. So now coming up here, they're working on the eastbound lanes, which they've made quite a bit of progress since my previous video. which was about a month ago now. And it's on the hill. I wish they would have cut this hill down a bit, but they're not going to, so make it a little bit less steep. So down on the left here, right below, they're they put in the pilings for the new road. A buddy of mine actually asked me what they were going to do with this wall. Well, I can see what they're going to do with this wall. They're going to leave it right where it is. So again, on the right-hand side, you can see where they're putting in pilings. And here, this section right here is all new that they've done. I'm quite impressed with what they've done. Anyways, this is the end of the run. So I'll give you an update in a while. We'll talk to you later and have a good day.